Good morning, Tim N7 KOM here, and Roscoe and I are out at Dog Mountain, heading up. It's a steep hike. A lot of people use it as a training hike, so got a nice heavy backpack, the training weight, and we're just gonna keep going up forever.
It's a beautiful hike.
Yeah, especially in summer with the wildflowers.
Especially when there's no one else on the trail.
Yeah, there's one other guy in the parking lot, a trail runner, so he's up ahead of me. Roscoe and I got it to ourselves.
All right, what do you think your ETA is?
All right, well, we're hiking in the fog, and just as we were coming out of the forest, getting hit by this beautiful view. Got a QSO with Bill K7WXW over on Wind Mountain. That'll be my second summit of the day, but we're gonna keep hiking because this view is only gonna get better. Trail popcorn. Just kidding, don't eat that. I don't know what that is. I did not eat any of it. All right, we are out of the forest, above the clouds, and out on the open slopes. In summer, these slopes just explode with wildflowers. All right, we are in the AZ. Bill K7WXW is down on that summit, Wind Mountain. So I'm gonna try to get summit to summit first thing, and then we'll get set up, see if we can get into Portland.
N7 KOM, K7WXW, go ahead.
All right, you are 5'9", summit to summit, and I'm waving at you.
I'm waving back. You're 5'9" here, and I'm glad you called because it's cold and foggy up here.
Oh man, yeah, it's actually starting to warm up a little bit, and but yeah, it looks like a beautiful day.
It does look like a beautiful day. Are you going to set up HF?
Yeah, I think I will. I'm gonna, drop pack and give Roscoe some water, and then put the Long Ranger on, see if I can get into Portland. I heard ATN trying to get you.
Yeah, he couldn't hear me. I have the Yagi with me, but I'm probably not going to put it together today.
Roger, roger. Well, I can see Mount Hood finally peeking out over the top of the gorge. I think that's Mount Defiance across the way.
I think that is Mount Defiance across the way. That's one you climbed to Twitter.
All right, well, I'll let you get to it, and I'm going to get set up here. But 7-3 and safe drive home. Have a happy Thanksgiving.
You too. Thanks for the contact. K7WXW.
K7JPX got you at a 5'9" from Dog Mountain.
Well, you were a 5'9" plus. Stevenson's right in the city, so that explains you got a great signal and you picked a great day to be on the mountain.
For 7 Lima Kilo Lima.
N7 Lima Kilo Lima, you're 5'9" from Dog Mountain.
You're 5'7" and scratchy in downtown Portland. Thank you.
Kilo 7 Alpha Tango November.
K7 ATN, you're 5'9" from Dog Mountain.
3 here North Portland, thanks Tim. K7 ATN.
KJ7 RPL.
KJ7 RPL from November 7 Kilo Oscar Mike, you're 5'9" up here on Dog Mountain.
Hi Tim, Brent here. Yeah, you're a 5'9" in Happy Valley. You sound great.
Roscoe, where are you? What are you getting into? Got a full logbook and the fog rolled back in, so we are QRT. All right, good afternoon. This is N7KOM, and we are on our second summit of the day, headed up a wind mountain. Should be a pretty short hike, but steep. I don't know the gain off the top of my head, but get the heart rate up, that's for sure. It's steep again. Oh.
Kilo Juliet 7, Romeo Papa Lima, KJ7 RPL.
KJ7 RPL got you at a 5.9 from Wind Mountain. Good morning again, or good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Tim. Yeah, you're 5'9" again, and Happy Valley, you sound nice and clear. Over.
November 7, Kilo Oscar Mike. It's Kilo 7 Alpha Tango November.
K7 ATN, K7 ATN. This is N7KOM.
I'm not sure I quite hear you there, Tim. N7KOM, it's K7ATN again.
Kilo 7 Alpha Tango November. This is November 7 Kilo Oscar Mike. November 7 Kilo Oscar Mike. Got you at a 2131. 2131.
I'm going to give you a 2222. I heard my call and your call. A little noisier, a little lower there. I guess you're doing the windy dog today. Have a good time. K7ATN.
Whoa. All right, got another good grip of contacts in the logbook and a beautiful view of the Columbia River Gorge here. But I think it's time for me and Roscoe to QRT and head back down. What do you think, buddy? You ready to go? Yeah, he's been whining. So, all right, we're gonna QRT and everyone have a happy Thanksgiving. Though this will come out long after Thanksgiving. Huh. And please like and subscribe for more SOTA videos. 7.3 and 7 KOM. Roscoe, what are you doing? What is this? I put that down so you wouldn't get the seats more dirty with your poison oak.